When your computer breaks down, your day comes to a halt. At TN Computer Medics, we're here to get you back on track with fast, reliable service you can trust. Located right here in Tullahoma, our expert technicians handle everything from virus removal and data recovery to hardware upgrades and complete system repairs. Whether it's a slow laptop, a crashing desktop, or a business network issue, we've got the tools and experience to fix it right the first time. We're proud to be your local Tullahoma computer repair specialists, offering friendly service, honest pricing, and solutions that last. Don't let tech troubles slow you down. Call TN Computer Medics today or visit us online to schedule your repair. Because when it comes to your computer, you deserve the very best.